know that that's on me.
Never had a moment where I ever questioned you. You already know that. I ain't never stressed with ya. Love me and you own that. That's why I'm so impressed with ya, blessed with ya. If you haven't noticed, I am at my best with ya, yeah. Yeah, they know you're my heart. Yeah, they know I'm about you. I hate when we're apart, 'cause I love me, you.
Today's video is going to be a video. It's going to be a vlog. I have a photo shoot when I get back to New York after Christmas, and I am kind of like on a budget for this shoot. It's a test shoot. I'm working with a few other creatives on the shoot, and so the vision that I have, basically, I only need a few pieces. I'm not going to do like a humongous shopping spree for the shoot. So I'm going to actually be going to the thrift store to pick up some pieces in Michael's. And then this is going to be like a little behind the scenes of all that, because I'm also going to shoot at the video as well. I mean the photo shoot. But I just wanted you guys to come with me so I can show y'all how I shop on a budget, but more than anything, how I get things done for my shoot. Well, how I shop on a budget for my photo shoots and anything creative. Like anything that I do creative, I like to spend as little money as possible, because you know, you never know what other things you're going to need to put forth money for. So I'm bringing you guys with me, so stay tuned. Driving the big body out here. You heard? You heard me? Yeah, it's lit. Oh shit. I think I have lived in New York for like so long at this point, and I don't drive. My car's here, right? I get motion sickness like OD, and it's crazy because I'm trying to get the dang on thing to close. The garage don't want to close. Yeah. So now, oh, is she trying to tell me something? Close the garage!
Put the garage down.
Why you can't just close it?
You're not gonna be able to get back in if I do that.
It's not working.
It does.
Alright. Back to what I was saying. I'm trying to get my music going, but my mama bougie car won't disconnect from the Bluetooth, so I gotta drive off and drive away before. Now, why would you park right there at the stop sign? Anyways, I gotta drive away to connect mine, so we'll disconnect from hers because she want to be difficult. So yeah, it's lit. Now you know you're supposed to be on the other side. Don't play with me, sir. I have road rage really bad, you guys. I do. Alright, let me get my music on. I'll be back.
I got rich on all these, I didn't forget. I had to go through the struggle, I didn't forget. I had decided to make it, then now I can see. Deep, know me now, cause I got them big rings. Cause now they're ready now, I get it hurt. Young nigga on the corner, bitch, I had to serve crack. Uncle finding me some peas, had to get them birds back. We came up on dirty money, I gave it a back.
If you could see it from the front, you can see it from the back. Yeah, you like it thick, you like it fat, yeah. Like to keep on wanting more. He asked me, Dolly, where you at, huh?
Get to know you better. This Christmas and we trim the tree. How much fun is going?
Alright, so we're here. It's like my favorite thrift store to go to because it's really big and it has mad stuff like on the inside, and then they also have like mad stuff around the store outside, so it's like a really good place for thrifting. They have so many options. So I'm gonna get a few things out of here. I'm actually gonna get some stuff for myself personally while I'm in here if I find some stuff aside from stuff for the shoot. But I have a list of things that I'm going to get out of here. Hopefully I won't be in here for longer than like an hour and a half. Hopefully. And then after this I have to go a little bit further and then go to like a Michael's or some type of like arts and crafts store around here. And then I'm meeting with my makeup artist Jamia for the shoot. She's going to be coming to New York. Shout out to my girl. I really rock with her for that. But yeah, she's gonna be the MUA for the shoot. So we're meeting today just to talk a little bit more about what we're gonna be doing, how everything's gonna flow, how I expect everything to look, and if she has any questions for me and all that good stuff. So I'm gonna stop rambling and let's get out this car. Cause this thing that made me mad, I've been riding around for 10 minutes and my phone will not connect to this Bluetooth. So I got an attitude right now. So that's why I got my AirPods in. So yeah, let's get out. This way. Anyways, let's see. Much better prices than the ones in stupid New York. Oh, look, my name is on there. That ain't how you spell it, but see how big the thrift store is, y'all? Like, huge. And this is just the inside. So, I think I'm gonna need a card. Okay, here we go. So one thing for sure about this thrift store, you gotta come in here. Like if you have a specific list of things or a specific thing you're looking for, you literally have to come in here with a list or you will come out with mad stuff because everything in here is so cheap. There's so much stuff in here, so many options. Like you literally have to come in here with a list or you are screwed. And that's what is about to happen to me because I did not come in here with a list. I mean, I did, but I didn't. Like, I didn't come in here with a physical list. It's like a mental note, which is not a good idea because I could easily just be like, oh yeah, I need more of this. Who is calling me private and wild? Don't call me. Oh my god, this is cute. This is cute. Okay, we can see. You see what I'm doing? But see, all of this stuff is stuff that I'm using in the shoot. And then I can keep for myself. That's what I try to do. I try to pick things that I know I can keep after the fact for myself. So it's not really like a waste. Of course, anything that I pick for a shoot is going to be fire regardless. Hello. Okay. But, yeah. That was cute. I promise I'm picking things that I'm going to use in the shoot. I promise. I have a humongous pimple on my freaking face. Ooh. Okay. So there's that. And now let's keep on going down to the next. Ooh. Alright, I'm back. Okay, y'all, so my camera died and I ended up having to record on my phone. I honestly think I might record a lot more on my phone for this video, But it was a successful trip. I bought mad stuff. I only spent $30, and I bought, like, I'm not gonna tell y'all what I bought because I don't want y'all to know what this shoot is yet, but it's gonna be so lit. I'm so excited. But I knew that the thrift store would have everything that I needed pretty much for the shoot. So yeah, so I got everything that I needed pretty much. I do have 2 more things that I needed to get they didn't have here, and so I'm gonna try the other one. It's Christmas Eve, so they close at 3 o'clock. So I'm not sure if the other one closed at 3 o'clock too. So I'm trying to run across town real quick. It's 1:45, so I have an hour and 15 minutes to get there, get in, get out, and then I have to meet Jimmy at 3:30. So I'm pretty sure they'll have at that location what I need, and then I'll be good to go as far as shopping for the pieces that I specifically needed today. So stay tuned, you guys. We about to go to the next place. Peace. Nah, we got something we interrupted our session and they were trying to talk. This is for make sure y'all only Gotcha.
Since I'm not at the competition, with the pimpin', Jane Jackets collar up like we in the audition. Tell whoever got the
Beautiful.